uyabona, if there's one South African artist who deserves to be an ambassador for AI, uCredo V Daniels. Because what do you mean uGayi ukwazile ukuthatha AI, innovation, i-creativity wasihlanganisa wakhipha i-album ulozolo lwento lwe-album, into ekwazi ukuheala thousands of souls out there, akhipha abantu osizini esebenzisa labo AI. I cannot do what Credo did. That's why kune album ya Credo created uyena, and it is as good as it is, yenziwe uyena, and no one can imitate that. If it was so easy ukwenza leyanto, why are we not having multiple albums afana nawa Credo? Why are we not having songs that sounds the same? We need ukuthi abantu abasha nabantu ama-creatives awasebenzisa ama-talent abo beyohlanganisa ne-technology benze umusic is that will heal generations and generations of hopeless souls. Kungabheka ukuthi why did you do this? Isn't that the whole point of AI? Ukuthi setshenziswe ama-tools. uCredo was able to do that. Uthathe ama-tools e-technology, AI wawahlanganisa wenza umusic. Something that I couldn't do. Something that omunye umuntu could not do. Why are we so eager to destroy and chastise abanye abantu? Why are we not coming together to help uCredo? Makuwukuthi udinga imanager, athola imanager ukuze akhule adle kulento le yaseyiqalile. Why singamsupport uCredo? 2, why ungakhulunyi ukuthi okay, you sampled amaculo abanye abantu without their permissions? Akuhlanganwe ke kukhulunywe kubheka ukuthi iyiphi solution ke engenziwa kulezo zinto lezo kanjalo. Why did it have to go that far sekuze kwafika ko-Apple ukuthi umusic wakhe remove kulama platforms lawa kudlalwa kona umusic? Why are we so good at destroying each other? Why do we always have the energy to dismantle and zero energy when it comes to building and uplifting? Why are we not looking at this ngento yokuthi singenze njani ukuthi sithuthukise amakhono, sithuthukise ama-talent, sithuthukise usengaqala ne-production company? Why are we not helping him ukuthi enze kanjalo? Why sifuna ukuthi singakhi kodwa sibhidlize? Why singafuna ukuncoma ukuthi yazi inhle into eyenziwe uCredo? AI ngiyakwazi ukuthi awuhlulwa yilutho, uyasazi nesizulu. AI uCredo V Daniels i-ambassador yakho, especially la eSouth Africa, because ukhombisile ukuthi ubuhlakani ne-creativity kungasebenzisana kanjani nama-tools e-AI. Ngiyema lapho, ngiyabonga.